Most people think wealth comes from one big moment, a high-paying job, a lucky investment, or some life-changing event. But for the average American, real wealth is built through something far less dramatic, the money snowball rule. And once you understand it, your entire financial future becomes easier to control. Here's how it works. Imagine rolling a small snowball down a hill. At first, it barely grows. That's your early savings, slow, boring, almost invisible. But as the snowball keeps rolling, it starts picking up speed and size, and eventually, it becomes huge. The same thing happens with your money when you consistently repeat 3 small actions. Action 1, automated saving. Even $5 or $10 a day matters. You're not trying to get rich quickly. You're trying to build the habit that makes wealth automatic. Action 2, debt reduction, starting with your smallest balance. The moment you eliminate the first debt, you free up cash flow. That extra money gets added to the next debt, so the payoff gets faster every time. That's momentum, the snowball effect. Action 3, investing small but consistently. Not picking stocks, not chasing hype, just simple, regular contributions to a diversified plan you understand. When the habit stays consistent, compound growth does the heavy lifting for you. The money snowball rule works because it removes pressure. You don't need perfection. You just need tiny financial wins that build on top of each other. If you feel stuck financially, it's not because you're doing everything wrong. It's probably because your snowball hasn't started rolling yet. Once it does, it becomes almost impossible to stop.